Friends, today we'll show you how to cook fresh, flavorful fish from a mountain rain-fed river. Early in the morning we headed toward the cold river flowing through dense forests and pulled out our set net, which was full of fish, including one large, fresh catch. We cleaned them by slicing open the belly, removing all the insides, and washing them thoroughly. Along the way we also gathered wild mushrooms, green chilies, and fresh garlic leaves for extra flavor. By the riverside we built a simple stone stove, placed one big fish directly on an oiled hot stone to roast, and fried the other in a pan. We spread a spicy garlic chili mix over the fish and added more seasoning on top, cooking mushrooms and garlic leaves alongside. Once everything was perfectly cooked we sat by the river and enjoyed the hot, aromatic fish, and the rich mountain taste was truly unforgettable.